Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Infinix. Firstly, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. In order to continue, install this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, click on Open. Now thanks to this app you can read all the informations about your dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!